is up, guys? This is another video. This is not a roleplay video. This is actually a video on how to get better at the game. Let's say you first unlock the literal revolver and you're terrible at aiming. Like, you're missing all over the place. Like this. Like, pretend like he's outside of safe zone. Well, he is. And pretend like you're like this bad at aiming. This is to teach you how to get better at aiming. Okay. Now, you may need a friend of yours. So tell them to buy a box. Like this. Okay. Now, if your friend is very rich, that they can buy the RPG ammo. They can put it back here for better weight. So basically, you kind of have to go and do this outside, because this is a way how to teach you how to get better. And we're going to attach balloons, and this will spin. Alright, now put your RPG ammo. Now make sure it's lined up with that thing right there. If it isn't, then you're going to have to restart. Hold on, don't attach the balloons yet. Don't attach them. Well, you can already start attaching them. We only need 3. Well, mostly, guys, you're going to have to buy the Uwu backpack and put these in.
Uh-oh, I farted.
Yeah, because you have the whoopee cushion. Now get your balloons and throw that. Now get 2. Inflate them. Whoa. Don't do the mistake I just did. Yeah, don't.
What happens if I do abracadabra?
Don't do it.
Okay.
Now we need another balloon to make it fly.
Do you have a rocket launcher ammo? Can I have one?
I know what you're going to do.
No, I'm not going to explode you. I promise.
Okay. Now buy the revolver.
Give me one.
You can have this one and try practice. Please tell me. No! I accidentally grabbed.
I need a rocket launcher ammo. Please.
Hold on. I accidentally flipped the project sideways.
Please, can I have it?
Sure. Fine.
I want to do a trick. Yeah.
Do it far away. Do it far away. Luckily, he did far away. Okay.
What happened?
I actually forgot that this is not... Oh.
I'm
doing the biggest mistake wrong.
Rocket launcher.
No.
I need rocket launcher.
Now, Now, basically, the RPG ammo, guys, acts like a little paperweight. What?
Wingardium Leviosa! Can I have another one?
Sure.
I wanna do Harry Potter spell. Oh, are you making it go in the sky and then you try to shoot it?
Yeah, it'll spin around. Well, it's supposed to my statistics. Alright, now, wherever it goes, you have to try to get to a very good position. Alright, so the best position for this is a forage. Oh. I may have to do something.
1, 2,
Hold on, don't shoot.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
I want to do Harry Potter spell.
guys. Okay, there we go.
Leviosa!
Yes! So that's how you get better at the game. Bye.